Eating, 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 eating. Yum, yum, yum. Lupe, what is the name of your daddy? Daddy Lee. What about your mommy? Mommy P? Pia. Your tata? Tata Rika. How about your grandma? Grandma Mari? How about your Tito Jack? Tito Jack? How about your Papa? Papa Ko. Say Ko. How about your Wawa? Wawa Sally. Wowo. How about your Wowo? Wowo Raul. How about your name? What's your name? Your name is Yay! Can you say yo-yo? Can you say one? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful eyes for mommy. Wow, yeah. Can you say purple? Wow. Can you say actually? Actually. Can you say alcohol? Alcohol. Can you say aircon? Aircon. Can you say red? Color red. Can you say red? You can say red. How about blue? Blue. Black. Can you say red? How about pink? Can you say pink? Pink. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. How about you brush your teeth? Very good. What else do you know? Head. Where's your head? Shoulders. Knees. Knees naman, knees. Knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. And eyes. And eyes and ears. And mouth and nose. Nose muna, nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Clap your hands. Hurry, there's a fire truck. Hurry, there's a fire truck. Hurry, there's a fire truck. Ding. Flying kiss na, bye. Say bye, you all.